Hello everyone, this is just a dad. Today I'm going to do an unboxing on this EERO Pro 6E Wi-Fi mesh system. So here we have two devices. We've got a box with a bunch of stuff in it and some paper. Okay, so both of these devices are the same. They're both the same. They're powered, two connectors. They're both model number S010001. All right, let's see what's in the box. All right, we open it up. Looks like the power adapters for each one. Okay, each one has a power adapter. And there's a cable underneath there, looks like. Okay, one cable. So it looks like either a Cat 5 or Cat 6 cable on each end. And then here's the power cables. Both of them are identical, and it looks like they're 27 watts. You can plug it into 100 to 240 volts, 50 or 60 hertz. Output is 5 volts, 3 amps, or 9 volts, 3 amps. So the length of the cable, again, it's got USB-C. You're going to power it in right here. And the length of that cable is about 5 feet long. I like that it's got a 90-degree adapter. It sticks out from the wall an inch by 1 3/4 by 2 1/4. And that's everything you get in the box. Let's measure this real quick. 5 1/4, 5 1/4 square. 1 inch size is tapered. 2 inches down to 1 inch. It's got some rubber feet on the bottom. Looks like there is like a reset button right here. So I hope this unboxing video helped. Thanks everybody for watching.